Hey history, welcome to my kitchen / dining room. Today's assignment's going to be a little bit different than what you've been doing. We're going to kind of stray away from history for just one day. But before we do that, I want to give you a preview about what's coming up on Thursday, Gold Day number 13. Gold Day number 13, you're going to be doing a quiz on George Washington, his presidency, and the political party stuff that we've been learning about. So things that will be on the quiz will be things like, what did George Washington think about political parties? You got Alexander Hamilton. You remember he was the leader of the Federalist Party. You'll want to know a little bit about what the Federalist Party was about, what Hamilton's ideas were. You'll want to know about Thomas Jefferson, who was on the opposite side of Alexander Hamilton. He was for the Democratic Republican Party. Hamilton was for the Federalists. If you remember the Federalists, they supported banking, right? And Washington kind of always supported Alexander Hamilton. And then you have Thomas Jefferson, who was more on the team of farming is going to be our country's future. And he was the leader of the Democratic Republicans. And those two kind of always clashed and argued with each other. And those arguments were kind of what eventually would end up leading us to later on, but kind of putting the seeds in the ground for what would end up becoming the Civil War years and years later. But it all starts way back with those guys. So make sure before Thursday, all right? And on Thursday in the video before your test, I will kind of go over a little bit to make sure that you know specifically, here's a couple of things that you're going to want to make sure to know before taking this test. But we'll rewatch some of the puzzle videos, right? Total of probably 18 minutes worth of videos that will really help you out and just kind of refresh your memory a little bit. But other than that, I think it will be an easier short quiz. I think there's 13 questions on it total, all multiple choice. All right? But as far as today goes, today's going to be a little bit different for what your assignment is. Being that our school year ended kind of abruptly, and we don't get to really see you guys anymore, which is sad. I really do want to see your faces, hear your voices again. I'm getting bored, I'm getting sad not seeing you guys. I just kind of want to know what you guys have been up to. So what I'd like you to do, and I'll do an example myself, is I want you to basically just kind of send a video my way. There's going to be an assignment folder there that says upload videos here. And what I would really want you to do is just upload a video, kind of telling me about what you've been up to during this distance learning period, anything cool that you're doing. Let's get away from school a little bit. Tell me about things that you've been doing while you have some time at home. Maybe you've been doing a project here or there. Maybe you've been playing a bunch of video games. Maybe there's something cool that you built, whatever it might be. Just kind of tell me a little bit about what you've been up to. I have two requirements for the video. I really want to see your face, and I really want to hear your voice. I don't have any specific time length or anything like that, but you can keep it short, but I just want to see you guys again. So upload your video by noon tomorrow to that folder where it says upload your videos here for your assignment folder. You'd go into school, you use your iPad, take the video on your iPad. It's the easiest way to do it. And then when you do submit assignment, you just hit the little camera thing and say submit video, and it should upload. It will take a minute to upload though, alright? So it will spin a little while. If you have any real complications with it, just send me a Schoology message and you can figure out another way for you to get the video. But I do want to see your guys' face. So, I'll do an example myself. Let me get ready for it really quick, alright? Alright, so the first thing I'm going to tell you about is just kind of what we did this past weekend just to get out of the house a little bit. We were bored sitting around. We went over to Pipestone and Laverne. We kind of did a big circle trip, hit up some state parks around the area. So if you look at over here, we got this picture. This is at Pipestone National Monument. That's my daughter Nora kind of walking around. They had some pretty cool cliffs and rocks there. Here I am with Nora kind of just exploring around. She was climbing over everything. They had a waterfall there. It's a smaller park, but it's pretty cool if you get the chance to go see it. It's not like a huge state park. It'd probably only take you about an hour to walk around the whole thing, which we did. But then we made our way down to Laverne, which has a bigger state park called Blue Mound State Park. That one's mostly prairie land, prairie grass fields, but it did have something pretty awesome. It had about a 100-foot cliff, a 100-foot quarry, where if you look at this picture here, you can't really tell how high it is. I had a video, but it would not embed into the explain everything app that I use to make these videos. But it was pretty cool to see how high it was, but it's pretty sweet, about 10 stories up. I went right over to the edge there, kind of freaked myself out by looking over it. And then also one of the other big attractions at Blue Mound State Park is that they have a bunch of buffalo roaming free. So there's my daughter talking to the buffalo. So that's what we did this weekend, but I'm going to go outside and kind of show you what I've been doing around the house during quarantine, keep myself busy. So I'll meet you outside. Alright, we're outside the back of my house now. My first project during the quarantine was, you can see all this stuff above me and these posts here on my overhang. Well, I had to get going. It looked like crap. All the white paint was chipping, so it took me a couple days, but I painted all of that. That's my first project. Alright, next project. We're in my backyard here. In no way a gardener by any means, but one of the projects I needed to do was to plant a new blueberry bush, which here it is. Yeah. Doesn't look like much now, but I had to dig about 3 feet deep in there to get an old bush that was out. I plan to use that. You see behind me, that's a grapevine, and then I got a raspberry bush back there. Basically, I've been planting them to make sure that we don't go broke from buying my daughter Nora a bunch of raspberries and blueberries because she eats them like crazy. So we figured might as well have a bush on hand. So hopefully that one gets us some blueberries this year, but next year for sure. I also did some landscaping work alongside the garage there. Alright, that's just going to be some flowers and rock area. But nothing big on that one. And then getting into our next big thing that we did, I'm going to head over to the outside of the garage, so I'll meet you there in a second. Now the next big thing we did was that, not having a kid, I had a little car that wasn't enough room for me. So we ended up having to go to SS Motors over in Cortland, a little past New Ulm. And we got ourselves an SUV to give us a little bit more room. Now, if you look behind that SUV, you'll see my garage, and that's my next project today, because if you don't know how garage doors work, well, they are supposed to go up and down, and this morning, mine is not going up and down anymore. So, that's my next project for today. I'm going to see if I can not kill myself by trying to fix that. And then our last project over here, we got our little garden going. We have some green beans and cucumbers sprouting already. But yeah, so please just let me know what you guys have been up to. I want to see your face, hear your voice. Have fun with it. Doesn't need to be anything special. Doesn't need to be as long as mine. But yeah, I just want to see you guys. So thanks. Have a good one.